Happy New Year! Yes, today is the New Year's Day in Korea. So, I cooked the New Year's stew for me and my hubby. Easy cooking but delicious. Except sliced rice cake, I got all ingredients at local market. Any beef is fine, I'm using steak. First, rinse the rice cake and put in water. For one serving 150 gram. That's less than I thought. Vegetarians can substitute veggie broth for beef from here on. Add 1 spoon of oil and stir fry the beef in the pot. Once the meat is cooked, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and then add 3 cups of water. Adding more is fine for more thin soup. Cook for 5 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare white and yellow egg and cook thin. It's totally optional. Once water is boiling, add the rinsed rice cake, and if you have a mandu, add it. Check out my mandu video how to prepare. Come on, it's Korean food. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Once rice cake floats, it's done. Another way to check, press the center of rice cake. Also green onion, salt and pepper according to your preference. Transfer it to the bowl and add the egg if you want. My grandmom 할머니 always told me to add 1 drop of sesame oil at last minute.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What year is it? Is it 2021? What year is it?
The reason we eat this New Year's stew, tteokguk, is the rice cake represents a long and healthy life. When I was grew up in Seoul, my mom cooked this at home because it's tasty and quick prepare. Hope you guys enjoy the Korean New Year stew and wish you are healthy this year. Happy New Year! 새해 복 많이 받으세요.